We're entrepreneurs at Triad. The founders and the senior management are entrepreneurs at heart.
We have a deep understanding of fee-based business. We have a deep understanding of the need for an entrepreneurial spirit and doing what's in the best interest of the client.
As an independent business owner, and that is how we view you. You are a business owner in the job of providing independent financial advice. At Triad, our job is to be an unlimited resource to you.
It's very important to us at Triad that we take a common sense approach with every advisor, and we don't put them in a box.
I think in many ways we pioneered the hybrid RIA model. Hybrid's a new term in the industry these days, and we've been doing it a long time. And today we're recognized as the leader in the hybrid RIA space.
Triad's success is our advisor's success. We believe firmly that it's not where you are, but where you're going.
We want to give the advisor as much flexibility as possible. Some advisors want more control. They want to own and operate their own separate RIA, and they're comfortable with that responsibility. And other advisors would prefer to work off a corporate structure. At the end of the day, we just want to give them choices.
We offer a very large and diverse product menu. Nothing is proprietary. We don't push any products. There's no sales quotas. We don't rely heavily on a certain product line. So for us, it really is your business, your way.
Triad's built a very robust retail wealth management platform, but at the same time, our advisors can access the institutional products and services of an investment bank through Ladenburg Thalmann.
When an advisor chooses to have their own RIA, they should know what pitfalls to face. Triad can provide that kind of guidance.
I think if you look at your standard view of a compliance team, it's not what you find here at Triad. It's a dramatically different group of people.
So many advisors at different broker-dealers are used to junior level compliance support, and at Triad we've got a wealth of experience from a lot of different backgrounds.
We truly value the relationship we have with our advisors, so because of that we don't have a phone tree where advisors have to go through multiple layers to get to an individual or to a department. You call in, you get the staff, you get the people that you need, the people that you know. So advisors like that. They're not a number to us. They're an individual.
There's nothing more important to you than your relationships with your clients. At Triad, there's nothing more important to us than our relationship with our advisors.
At Triad, we're really proud of the fact that we make a difference in our financial advisor's life because ultimately their success is our success as well.